Hello, ladies, gentlemen, guys, what's going on? Ladies love those shoes. What's going on, guys? This is me, Marlon. Guys, I'm back in today's video. I want to talk about my big banner ads marketing strategy. I want to talk about how you can get leads every single day of the week, Monday through Sunday, holidays, even while you sleep. I actually rhymed. I didn't even mean to do that, guys, really. I'm going to talk about traffic today, guys. We're going to talk about how to build a list using my big banner ads marketing strategy. So what I'm going to do in this video today, guys, I'm going to show you guys what's happening inside my big banner ads marketing strategy. I mean, you guys maybe on YouTube, maybe you heard me talking about it. And so today I decided to put together a little video and show you guys how and what's happening with the big banner ads marketing strategy. Now they say, guys, I don't mean to sound cliche-ish, that the money's in the list, right? You guys ever heard that? And they also say, but the fortune is in the follow-up, right? I believe that, guys, right? In fact, it's true. Oh, hold on, my phone would be ringing. Wow, I'm going to have to not get that phone right now, guys. But look, this is what I want to talk about, guys, in today's video. I'm going to show you guys how you can generate leads every single day of the week. I said Monday through Sundays, even on holidays, even while you sleep, and how you can start building your list, guys, for pennies on the dollar. Seriously, right? This is the only traffic source that I'm using right now. I am going to plug two other additional solo ad traffic sources into the training, but this is it. And those other two solo ad traffic sources I'm putting in the training are good solo ad sources. But right now, guys, I don't really need any other traffic. And I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to tell you guys why. Okay. I told you guys every day, all day, I get traffic. And I don't pay a lot of money for it. And you guys, it's just another example. I got different marketing systems and funnels out there, guys. You can see them, right? The day at this time of this video is 4:45. If you look up here on the right, it's 4:44. That means these two just came in. They just come in all day long. This is page 1 through 20. I'm going to go over to pages 21 to 40, and it will continue, guys. You know, the numbers just never stop. And these are actually small numbers. You can't see all the numbers, guys, because this thing is telling you, you know, like you'll see 6 there, you'll see 7 there, you'll see 100 there. It's cumulative, like it's over a period of days, some of them, right? Let's see, can we get to the next page and see what's going on? I told you guys we could do this all the way back through December because that's how long I've been testing the traffic. You'll see the numbers, they will stay consistent. You will see the numbers reflect leads that come in every single day in my business for different marketing systems, right? So I ask, hey, if the money's in the list, or then the fortune surely can be in the follow-up. Here's why I want to do the demo or walkthrough, show you guys how the big banner ads marketing strategy work, because this is where all my traffic's coming from. I'm not getting it from anywhere else unless it's YouTube, right? So, hey, just got another person, guys. I come into I can't even see his name. I don't know what's going on here, guys, right? Anyway, it will hopefully it's just because my computer, the memory on my computer, I can't see down but so many levels inside of Instant Recall, but that's okay. I'll barely see it, and I will be calling that person out because that's where all this traffic is coming from. All this traffic, guys. Look, when you start talking about generating leads and traffic, you know you got to have yourself a capture page, right? Why? Because you can collect the names or the email addresses of the people that you want to come onto your list. So in this example, I want to show you guys, this is capture page number 1. This is capture page number 2, one of my favorites. You guys know I love the Lamborghini. Capture page number 3, this is for Lead Lightning, that cool little $7 marketing system I told you about you guys can use to plug anything in the back end of, by the way, that will actually earn you $6 commissions and promote your primary biz op, whatever it might be. And of course, guys, a brand new actual marketing system. You guys will learn more about it later on that I'm actually launching today, right? At any rate, these are 5 different capture pages, right, that I've loaded or will be loading. Some of these are already inside. Some of these are already inside of my big banner ads marketing strategy resource, right? But let's go back to the page, guys. Let me show you guys what happens. So when you start taking these banners, guys, those banners simply redirect to those capture pages, to the capture page of my choice. Okay, now I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna click this banner because I actually set this up so it redirects to the banner. So we're gonna click the newly released system, right? Let's click it, and it's gonna take me over to the new system that I'm actually loading into my traffic, right? You guys saw that. Very simple, right? I'm gonna back up, right, and I'm gonna click the banner, and it's gonna redirect me to my capture page, okay? And so the cool thing about the big banner ads marketing strategy, guys, is you can use different capture pages, right, for different banners. Let's click that one. I think they're all going back to the same thing in this instance, right? I got them all going. I got them all redirected to the new system. But I can change these out, right? You can change them out for whatever you want. I just happen to have them going to one of my newest marketing systems, okay? Here's the deal. You can plug a different capture page into each one of these banners. You can plug a capture page into this banner, a different capture page into this banner, a different capture page into this banner, and a different capture page into that banner. They don't have to be the same like I got them. When you guys start using this as a strategy inside of that resource, right? Or, guys, you could just plug the same, like you just saw me do, the same capture page in all of these banners. Now, guys, you see the leads coming in, right? And so this is how I'm generating leads every day. I'm loading these banners up into my big banner ads marketing system traffic resource. And people are clicking on the banners. And I just said in the other video just the other day, or maybe it was earlier today, I can't remember. The reason people are clicking on the banners is because they want to know more about what's on the other side of the banner, right? If they weren't curious, they would not click. More importantly, right? If they didn't want to see even more, they wouldn't give me their email addresses, guys. But they are, to the tune of 60 just the other day, 5272. The number's just going to keep on. This is going to keep on going. The traffic's not going to ever stop unless I stop it. So what's the point? The point is I'm using the big banner ads marketing strategy to place these ads for pennies on the dollar. Today will be the first day that I will go to load the new marketing system in. And I probably, for kicks, I'm going to start with $20. You can start with even less. Okay? And not only can you start for less than $20, you can start for $5 if you want. You can start for $10. You can create these campaigns. For instance, I'm going to create a $20 campaign with the new system that I'm plugging in. That's $20 for the entire campaign. Now here's where it gets really sexy. You guys hear me talking about scaling. I can put $20 inside of this campaign when I create it for the total ad spend on that campaign. But then, guys, I can go in and control the amount of money that I spend every day on that $20 campaign. I.e., if I want to just spend $1 a day on that $20 campaign, I can. If I want to spend $2 a day on that campaign, I can. If I want to spend $3 a day on that campaign, I can. You guys get the picture? You see what you get this? You see what I'm talking about, right? So I can watch the traffic. If I see the traffic, and don't mistake that $1 a day ad spend on this $20 campaign. Technically, that would be across almost 15 days, 20 days. If you're spending $1 a day, when your campaign hits that threshold, the traffic will stop automatically. Then the next 24 hours, it's going to spend another $1. And so on and so forth. This is how the traffic continues to come in. We talk about scaling the traffic. When you want to get more, you spend more money per day. So if I want to get even more traffic, I spend $2 a day. I want to get even more traffic, I spend $3 a day. Right? So I guess I'm sure you guys understand exactly what it is I'm saying now. So that's how that works. That's why we're talking about scaling the traffic, right? So how do you scale it? Well, you'll be able to see, guys, every time somebody comes into this capture page, I can see how many people are coming into it. Every time somebody comes into this capture page, I can see who's coming into it. I can see the amount of people. Same thing here, same thing there. Well, this one I haven't set up yet. But the point is, they're all connected to my autoresponder. I'm able to start building my list. I'm getting traffic and leads every single day, right? So this is how this works, right? We're not going to break the bank. We're going to get the test. We're going to get the tweak. And we're going to get the scale. And I said in my last video, the reason the attrition rate is so rampant in most business opportunities, products, services, whatever it is people are trying to market, they can't get enough ad power out of their dollar. right? They're spending way more money than they're making. Well, inside the big banner ads marketing strategy, guys, you're not going to have that problem. You're going to be able to take whatever you want and plug your capture page inside and start stair-stepping, scaling your business with this inexpensive traffic. Again, whenever you're ready, you want to go to a $5 a day ad spend with a $20 total campaign budget, then fine. Because as you start to adjust those numbers up and down, it just means that traffic is going to come in even faster, right? Let me say that one more time so you understand. A $20 ad spend, let me show you guys what I'm going to do today in a little while. I'm going to take this particular capture page. I'm going to go into my big banner ads marketing strategy resource. I'm going to load this actual capture page up inside of one of these banners. You guys just saw them. I'll choose one. Sometimes I'll go out and get another one, but why? The ones that I'm using are working perfectly. I've generated now in excess of over 700 leads, probably more. I haven't counted, but I know I had to upgrade my autoresponder, so I know that's going on. Not only that, I've gotten several sales in everything that I'm marketing except for one thing. And I told you guys in that video, I'm monetizing that. I'm tweaking it. I'm going to scale it. At the while, I'll be making money in every single marketing system that I have inside of the platform, because that's what it's all about. It's a numbers game. You give yourself an unfair advantage when you can tilt the scale in your favor so that you can make those numbers just pop in all the time. Because the more a person sees something, right, the more they see it, and that's where the autoresponder comes in when you're following up. Ultimately, they're going to get it anyway. The moment most people won't buy the first time, sometimes people might not have the money. They might be busy. They might be watching Judge Judy, guys. I'm going to be honest, because that's what I'm doing a lot of times. The point is this. Don't be so focused on making a sale as you're starting to build your list. Because what we're talking about, guys, is we're gonna court that list, right? You know what I mean? Remember, guys, how we had to do the ladies? Guys, really. We had to take our girls out to the movie. I'm not even going to go down that road. But here's the point. It's the same thing when you're building your list. You got to create a relationship with them. You got to take them out to dinner. Give them something free. Tell them how good they look. Ladies, I love those shoes, by the way. Right? We're going to create relationships with the list as we start to build them. And that's how we're going to monetize the actual list, right? But first, we got to get people in the front door. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to use it using the big banner ads marketing strategy. We're going to take these banners. I only got 5 in here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got the lightning in there, and you guys know what that banner actually looks like. I give you guys the banners actually free whenever you join me in anything. This is universal training. It's going into everything that I'm doing. I just want to make sure you guys understand how it works. If you have an affiliate marketing business, if you are if you're an MLMer, a network marketer, even if you have your own products and services, guys, this is a great place to go. And it's kind of weird because a lot of people, as big as this thing is huge, and a lot of people just don't know about it. They think they got to go out and buy those traditional type solo ads and break the bank. Wow. I'm not doing that anymore, guys, right? Not doing that anymore. So we got to be smart, right? We got to stretch our dollars as far as we can. We talked about the attrition rate in the last videos, and we know why people are quitting. They're quitting because they're not getting results fast enough. They're not getting results fast enough because their ad spends are exceeding the amount of money that they're making. And if that happens, you're going to quit whatever it is you're doing. We got to be wise. We got to do the next best thing. We got to do whatever's clever. You should be using the big banner ads marketing strategy. When you guys lock into anything that it is I'm doing, you will unlock the big banner ads marketing strategy. And it's a great way to get out there, guys, and start making this thing happen for you. We're talking about getting leads and traffic every single day, Monday through Sunday, even on the holidays, even while you sleep. Right? The money is, in fact, in the list. But even more importantly, guys, the fortunes in the follow-up. Okay? Anyway, guys, that's my spill for this video. I just want to make sure I put a video out like that because I want you guys to understand that this is real. And it's working. And I'm scaling it. And you can too. Thanks for being on the video, guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Watch for the videos. They're going up almost every other day now, guys. Love you guys. Appreciate you so much. As always, this is your boy Marlon or Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to live in a dynamic digital internet lifestyle with no limits. Keep rocking. I'll see you guys on the next video.